There's a car out here that has been to all 10, and their sign says they put 30,000 miles on their car just getting to the Tri-5 National. So the Nomad people can get through the cruise and head to the Nomad display. You got to be in there by 10 o'clock. Works pretty good once it gets going here. Go ahead and tell them all, remember it's a parade, not a drag race. This is pretty awesome. Cars here. Been to all 10 Tri-5 Nationals presented by CBC. What a great group. We got some Australians that have been here for all 10. I assume they've not brought cars, but they've been here all 10, so they can be part of the celebration here this morning. It's awesome. One of my favorite events I get to do here at Tri-5 Nationals. Hey now, you two. Be careful. She's sitting right in the middle. There's always some troublemakers in every group. These girls right here are trouble. She is not the voice of reason. I can see that right there. Yes, drag cars are allowed in the parade here too. You got a few of them out there that have been to all 10 of these. What a group of cars. This is incredible. And the drag car here, man, this guy is a serious, great drag racer in that orange 56 wagon. You got the cherry bomb. They get to the gather thing, 55 convertible family. Gas on it brand new. Handful of race cars here, that's pretty awesome. get one qualifying hit this morning for you serious bracket racers. One qualifying hit, and then we're going to start